Airlines welcomes you to Tacloban. Time now is 57 minutes past the hour of 5 in the afternoon. And the date today is May 12, 2025 on Monday.
Mabuhay! Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly disembarkation, we ask everyone on board to remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We will commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance. Those with connecting flights will be given priority. If you need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay! Kalalapag po lamang natin. Mangyaring manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang inyong seatbelts hanggang ang seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw. Para sa maayos na pagbaba mula eroplano, manatili lamang sa inyong mga upuan at hintayin ang mga tagubilin para sa inyong maayos na paglabas. Sa sandaling tayo ay mabigyan ng pahintulot, ating sisimulan ang pagbaba mula sa eroplano. Bibigyang prioridad ang mga pasaherong may connecting flights. Kung kayo ay nangangailangan ng tulong, lumapit lamang sa inyong mga cabin crew at ground staff. Muli, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa Philippine Airlines.
For those passengers who need special assistance like wheelchair, please deplane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Cal Matias, together with First Officer Mark Santiago and the rest of the crew, we thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. Once again, we would like to remind everyone to please remain seated while waiting for your row numbers to be called for deplaning. Muli po, manatili po munang nakaupo. Maaari lamang po kayong tumayo matapos marinig ang inyong mga row number para po sa maayos at wastong pagbaba. At para po sa mga pasaherong nangangailangan ng special assistance katulad ng wheelchair, maaari lamang po na huli po tayong bababa. Once again, we thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Have a pleasant and safe stay here in Tacloban. Good afternoon.